Startup Podcast PH is co-produced by Credit Hero, Y Spaces, Tuwala, Simp, Secuna, Schooltech by Edfolio, Maroon Studios, and Compare Loans. Check out our partners in the description.
Welcome sa isa na namang episode ng Startup Podcast PH, Kwentuhan at Philippine Startup Week 2025. Day 2, andito pa rin tayo sa Mount Canlaon Room of the Philippine Innovation Center dito sa Marikina City, and we have now iSmart Innovations.
Yes.
Ano tama ba? Innovations. And we have Sir Jargon. Hello, Jargon. Kamusta?
Hello. Thank you, sir, sa pag-invite sa amin. And thank you sa experience na ngayong day 2 pa lang.
Kamusta? Kamusta sa Philippine Startup Week?
Exciting. Kahapon, kinakabahan ako on the way pa lang. Pero nung nandito na, flowing na lahat. Kumbaga, lahat ng natutunan ko in the past months, lahat binubuhos ko na dito. And sobrang saya. Sobrang blessing na nandito ako ngayon.
Sige.
And yun.
And ayun, no, so we have iSmart, and actually meron tayo dito ng inyong product. So pa-explain sa ating live stream and sa ating live audience. So ano nga ba ang iSmart, and ano nga ba itong product na ito?
So okay lang ba kwento ko lang rin sa inyo yung story nito?
Sige.
Bale, yung kwento ko kasi nito is nagkaroon ng shortage sa muriatic. Nakalimutan ko yung year, pero nagkaroon siya ng shortage sa muriatic.
Muriatic acid?
Yes. And yun nangyari dahil merong yung Isamo Chemical Corporation, shoutout sa kanila, nag-isip sila ng product na pwede gawin na same lang sa muriatic pero mas safer. So gumawa sila neto. And yung unang pangalan neto is Magic Acid. Eh ngayon, syempre dahil through R&D, Smart Acid Technology na yung pangalan.
Smart Acid Technology.
Yes.
Wait lang, sir. Sige. Just to, ang muriatic acid, para saan ba? Saan ba ginagamit ang muriatic acid?
So yung muriatic acid kasi, napakalawak siyang panggamit. Pwedeng pang industrial, pang pool, pang household. Marami siyang pwedeng paggamitan. And itong product namin is same lang siya. Isipin mo lang na muriatic siya. Pero ineliminate mo yung masakit sa balat, masakit
actually,
sa ilong, masakit sa health.
Ako kasi dati, bumili ako ng muriatic acid kasi may bara sa sa banyo.
Ano po nag-experience nyo dun, sir?
Barado yung sa paliguan. So, I'm not sure kung gagana yun. Gagana ba yun, muriatic acid, para ma-dissolve yung mga bagay dun para mag-flow ng maayos yung matanggal yung bala. Pero takot ako actually dun sa muriatic acid kasi alam ko masakit yan sa balat pag natamaan ka.
Yes,
tama?
sir.
So ito, same effectivity with muriatic acid but safer. So, for sure, di niya sasabihin. Pero paano nangyari yun? I mean, may secret ingredient ba? Hindi, may secret formula, ganun.
Yes. As of now po kasi, trade secret pa lang po siya. Dahil yun nga, nasa process pa kami ng illegalities. Pero, yung pinakagusto talaga namin is lahat ng mga gumagamit ng acids, mag-iba yung perspective nila na, okay, ayoko na gumamit ng muriatic, masyadong delikado. Ngayon, may smart acid na na-develop si iSmart Innovations para lahat ng gumagamit ng acid, ang sarap sa feeling maglinis ng, ang bilis matanggal ng dumi, ng lahat. It's a benefit for everyone talaga.
So, panlinis na hindi masakit.
Still filling out loan applications for your business? Yeah, thought so. Save your time. Grow your business. With Credit Hero, one online application gets you loan offers from multiple lenders. Apply for a business loan now. Visit credithero.com.
Yes.
So, what's your background? Sorry. And what's your background? Like, what did you study?
Me personally? I'm from Adamson University and I'm a 4th-year marketing management student.
Wow, marketing management pala. So, ano bang knowledge ang kailangan para mapag-invent ng ganitong product? Or like, maybe your teammates,
yes.
Paano kayo nakapag-invent ng ganito?
So actually, kwentuhan ko na rin habang nandito na rin eh. Nagsimula lahat ng journey na to sa March lang. Kasi nga meron kaming subject na product management. And kailangan mong gumawa ng product sa subject na yun. So, may available na product dito. So, gumawa na ka rin. So, sumali na rin kami. And after ilang weeks, biglang sabi ng Adamson, uy, may product expo. Parang competition. Sali kayo dito. After 2 days, sumali kami. And naging champion sa competition na.
So, itong product, saan to galing? Sino nag-invent nito?
Yung nag-invent po nito is yung mother company namin.
Which
yung manufacturing company, which is Isamo. Isamo and iSmart is just one. Pero sila yung manufacturing company namin. So, shoutout sa talaga sa mga...
iSmart is like the...
iSmart is the innovative marketing company of Isamo.
Aside from this one, Smart Acid, meron pa ibang product si Isamo na ginagawa?
Hintayin nyo.
So, malapit na.
Kumbaga, yung iSmart, ito pa lang yung binebenta namin. Pero si Isamo, 100 plus na products na yung nagawa nila kasi nga 2 decades and more na sila sa manufacturing industry.
So, bakit kailangan ng iSmart? I mean, it could have been Isamo at the company. So, ano yung talagang role ni iSmart?
So, yung iSmart po kasi, yung pinaka-role talaga niyan is to showcase na lahat ng products can be innovated in a way na mas safe para sa lahat, mas sustainable sa lahat, mas smart. Kaya iSmart yung napili namin eh. Mas smart para pag gagamitin mo, wala ka nang kailangang isipin downtime, ventilation, bibili ka pa ng personal equipment, gloves, ganyan. Kumbaga, sinisave neto lahat ng oras, lahat ng hidden cost pag bumili ka ng Moriatic.
Sige, so how's the experience? So nag-start nga ito no March, no?
Yes.
And you're the marketing manager.
Yes,
Marketing management. So are you like founding team ni iSmart?
Actually, yes. We're co-founding.
So sino yung
apat po
co-founding
kami.
team?
Bale, si Zem Ancheta, yung founder namin. Si Zia Casas, yung nasa booth namin ngayon. Ako, si Jose Festejo. Andito. Tapos, si Sir Franz, nasa Japan siya ngayon. So, sir, pag makita mo to, ingat po kayo sa kaya.
Shout out.
Enjoy.
So itong team na to, what are you composed of? Like, ano yung mga expertise? Ano yung mga... anong mga fields ninyo? Kasi you're for marketing.
Yes.
So yung the other, all marketing?
Yes, all marketing po kami. Lahat kami nagkatipon-tipon sa subject na product management na yun.
Okay, so wala lang. Parang, so, as iSmart, you've come as a company.
Yes.
Para ibenta yung mga products na de-develop ni mother company.
Yes.
Ganun siya.
Yes.
Okay. Sige, so now, as iSmart and like as marketing these products, what's the most challenging thing or ano yung mga challenges or problems na na-encounter nyo? And paano nyo yung sinolve?
As of now, yung pinakamalaking obstacle namin is funding. So lahat ng mga nanonood dyan, alam niyo na.
Pero,
message niya lang ako funding.
Why do you need funding?
Yes sir, kasi nga, gusto namin na syempre, dahil may manufacturing background kami, kaya na namin mag-supply in bulk.
From Isamo?
Yes, from Isamo.
Okay.
Kaya na namin, we're a startup, pero we can do large scales of production. So, why not? Dahil ngayon nga, kailangan namin ng funding, kailangan namin investors. Open kami sa mga mag-i-invest sa amin. Kailangan namin ng funding para sa production, sa marketing,
for mass production.
And all that, yes. Para mas maging aware lahat ng tao na.
So, for example, this one, you're aiming to mass produce this?
Yes.
Okay.
And hindi lang to, kasi nga, this is the base formula. Maraming pwedeng pasukin na industry to. Ngayon, dahil pinasok namin is one industry muna, pool industry. After ilang years, sir, kahit kayo, hintayin nyo. Pool industry, swimming pools.
Para sa mga panglinis.
Yes. Yung ginagawa po neto sa pools is pH reduction and disinfectant. So, hintayin nyo, kayo lahat, everyone, na balang araw, magiging household na rin to, construction, industrial. Maraming paggaganda.
So that's the vision.
Yes,
household,
that's the vision.
Household name.
Household
Smart
name.
Acid. Uy, bili ka sa palengke sa handyman ng Smart Acid.
Gumamit ka ba ng Moriatic? Ang sakit, no? Dito, iSmart to.
Kasi naalala ko kailangan naka-gloves ka.
Yes.
Protected ka, diba? So ito pwede hindi na naka-gloves.
Yes.
Diretso na.
Kung pwede ka sana pakita, lulublob ko daliri.
Sige nga. Wag na. Sige. What is startup success for you? Wow, ayan.
Startup success? Kwento ko na rin na 1 month pa lang kami sa Adonis. Yes.
Shoutout nga pala sa Adonis.
Yes, shoutout sa Adamson.
Sila yan. Okay, go.
Shoutout sa Adamson ulit. Ngayon, 1 month pa lang kami sa Adonis. And simula March, sinisimulan na namin to. Yung struggles talaga from March pa lang na nagtipon-tipon na kami lahat is kung paano namin mapapakilala to sa market.
Okay.
Kasi nga may malakas na yung name sa Moriatic acid yung dry acid and other acids na meron pa dyan. Malakas na sila sa name. Kami, dahil bago pa lang kami, kailangan namin ma-penetrate yung market para mas makilala na may option kayo kung gusto niyo mas safer.
Trust the digital future with Twala. Secure and tamper-proof digital signature. Electronic notarization service. And custom AI agents for intelligent document workflows. Visit twala.io to learn more. In today's digital world, your organization needs more than just technology. It needs a strategic partner. At Symph, we build web and mobile apps that drive innovation for startups, enterprises, and organizations worldwide. Visit symph.co today.
Protect your assets from bugs before bad hackers exploit them. And launch your products seamlessly with Secuna, your trusted partner in cybersecurity. Receive reports in real time and work with security experts to find bugs in your products before others do. Let's make your security our priority.
But I'm just, kasi this is kind of a different setup na, so si Isamo, paano kayo na-connect kay Isamo? Doon sa mother company? Pinili niyo lang ba siya or talagang connected kayo doon to begin with?
Connected to begin with talaga.
So...
Bale, yung formula nito is through years of research and development by Isamo. And dahil yung founder namin, si Zem Ancheta, hello po sa iyo. Si Zem, dahil siya yung founder ng company namin, iSmart, and siya yung nag-run siya yung CEO ng company ng Isamo.
Okay.
Pinagdugtong na lang.
I see. Okay, gets.
That's why may background kami sa pag-large scale na talaga.
And now, as Adonest is an incubator sa Adamson,
Yes.
Hindi Isamo, kundi iSmart yung part ng Adonest.
Yes. iSmart yung nakakontract sa Adonest.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So moving forward, ano bang plano nyo? How do you plan to play the game? Product development ba? Marketing ba? How do you plan to sell? I mean, not the long-term vision of parang household. Parang in the kumbaga, what's your plan? Kasi baka may nakikinig din dyan ng mga industrial, pools, resorts, right? So, how do you plan to approach them? How do you plan to market to them? How do you plan to sell to them?
So, nagsisimula lahat ng marketing namin and lahat ng exposure namin dito sa event na to.
Dito sa Start Podcast.
Hello. Gusto namin kasi sumali sa mga expo talaga and
may mga conference and expo for industrial something.
Oh, why not? Sasali kami dyan.
So, okay.
Sali kami dyan. Lahat ng pwede sali yan, sasali.
Okay.
Ito nga kanina, sabi lang sa akin, available ba kayo? Sige, sali kami.
Sino?
Si Sir JC. Sabi niya sa Adonest.
JC.
Si yung nandito kanina.
Okay.
Sabi niya, available ba kayo mamaya 2:30? Sige sir, sali kami.
Okay.
So yun, gusto namin ma-attract muna dito. Gusto namin ma-expose muna yung pangalan namin dito. Until umabot na kami sa maghanap kami investors, sali lang kami, sali ng sali, kausap-usap, hanggang maging known na kami sa buong Pilipinas. As of now, gusto namin muna makilala, syempre, dito sa Metro Manila, sa Cavite. And, ayun, gusto namin magsimula muna doon, na dahil, eto, magiging option nyo balang araw, na eto yung bibili nyo.
Sales mo na
hard selling na ewan
Pero that's a skill yung sa Wolf of Wall Street, diba?
Yes.
Si pangalan nito?
Jordan Belfort.
Yeah. So sales is really a big skill din naman talaga.
Yes.
But anyway, what if viral marketing, mga TikTok marketing, balak na rin ba yun? Like mag-TikTok videos na ay natapon
yes.
Kung ano mong mga
lahat ng pwedeng pagkakontentan.
Sponsored ads.
Yes.
Facebook. Oh.
We're very open that.
I mean, that's the path you're taking talaga. Tsaka B2C kasi ito to consumer direct.
As of now, B2B muna siya.
Business.
Yes, business to business muna. Pero, in the years to come, magiging B2C na siya. Kasi nga gusto namin, as of now, pool owners muna, pool facilities, mga pool services. Yes, mga resort, hotels. Yun muna yung magiging focus namin until mag-expand na kami into other industries.
Okay. Sige, ito. Last question bago tayo mag-open ng floor for Q&A. What keeps you motivated?
It's just the drive na gusto ko mag-improve every day. Yung yesterday na ako, magiging basis para kung sino akong magiging in the future. Kasi nga, lahat yun nagsisimula in the awareness, in the consciousness, kung sino ba talaga tayo. Ano yung purpose natin dito sa mundo. And sa 22 pa lang ako. And ngayon, nakaramdaman ko, and naging buo na yung loob ko, na gusto kong makilala kung sino ba talaga ako. Sino ba talaga si Jargon? Sino ba talaga yung si iSmart? Si iSmart? Ano ba talaga yung goal niya? Kaya lahat ng mga nanonood dyan, lahat ng mga unmotivated, gawin nyo lang. Walang masama sa pagkakamali dahil doon kayo matututo. Mas maraming mali, mas maganda. Kasi nga, you only have one life. So do everything what you need.
Oh, grabe yung last 2 episodes natin, mga motivational speaker lang. Pero I mean, that's very good. That's very good. You're very motivated actually. When I was 22, I'm 33 now actually. When I was 22, medyo hindi ako ganyan eh. So, nakakabilib din na ganito ang mga student right now, fourth year student.
Fourth year.
So,
next year graduating.
Sige. Baka may questions ang ating live audience. Pricing.
Sa pricing
so,
naman.
Paano nagkakabit sa pricing naman si Smart Acid with the current muriatic acids in the market?
Mura lang. Mura lang.
So, mas
Kasi
mura ba or kapantay or
as of now kasi, yung sa pricing, hindi pa ako sobrang immersed talaga sa pricing and kung magkano. Pero ngayon, dahil nabuo namin, na settle muna kami sa 700 pesos in the 20 liter, one container. This is 100 pesos, the 1 liter.
Oh.
So isipin nyo, na pag bumili kayo ng Moriatic, 30 pesos per liter, ganyan. Eto, 35 pesos per liter. Pag 20 liters yung binili nyo na container. And isipin nyo na lang, pag bumili kayo ng Moriatic, after nun, may hidden cost pa. Pag nasira tong equipment nyo, pag bibili pa kayo ng mga gloves, bibili pa kayo PPE, yung product namin, hindi nyo na kailangan bumili kung ano pang hidden cost pag nasira yung filtration system ng pool, pag nasira to, pag nasira yan, pag nasira ganito. Kumbaga, yung pinopromote talaga neto is safer talaga. Yung presyo niya, kahit onti lang yung difference sa muriatic acid, mas malaki naman in the long run. Mas malaki matitipid mo in the long run. Yun.
Salesman na. Parang yung mga... pero yeah. Sige, baka may question ba dyan?
May question po pa.
Okay na. Sige.
Sige, okay lang. Ask lang pa.
Education is evolving, and so are we. Introducing School Tech by Edfolio, your all-in-one school management solution. Built for schools of all sizes, School Tech bridges the gap between school and learning management. Driven by passion, School Tech makes educational technology accessible, affordable, and easy to use for schools everywhere. With an integrated approach, School Tech simplifies management across different departments and enhances efficiency in operations. School Tech transforms the way schools manage, teach, and learn. School Tech, taking school management solutions to the next level.
Running a business? Make it smarter with Red Circle Global. Streamline operations, boost productivity, and manage everything in one powerful ERP system. Book your free business demo today at redcircleglobal.com, guided by one of our top experts.
Sige, ayun. Actually, yun, thank you.
Yung mga viewers pala, baka may questions.
Oo nga, actually, may mga comments pero puro mga yung mga G, let's G. Shoutout lang natin.
Yes.
May nag-send ng stars, oh.
Thank you sa'yo. Ano pangalan?
Wilson Arsenio.
Thank you,
G.
Sir Wilson.
Alan Antang, editor na ng podcast. Joanna Marie Tadeo Peralta, let's G. Oh.
Shoutout sa inyo.
Liz Bontilao, G. Gailo MP, G. Ba't puro G?
Ba't G?
Ay, baka yung sa ano rin kanina. Liz Bontilao, ayan. So, shoutout sa mga nakikinig.
Yeah, shoutout sa inyo.
Ayun, sige, actually, wala rin ng question. See, sir. Sige, yun na. Thank you, Jargon, for
thank you po, sir, for this opportunity.
Next time, pag dumalaw ka ng Adones, para may usapan kami nila, sir, I'll interview din yung mga startups dyan.
Yes, sir.
So baka magkita ulit tayo. So,
yes, sir.
Sige. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much to our 64 patrons. This episode is super powered by AskLex PH Academy, our official e-learning partner. Get certifications on Lean Six Sigma, project management, data science, and more. Architect Space Solutions. Architect provides ground station services, space data analytics, and technology supplies while partnering with government, academia, and industry to grow the Philippines' role in the global space ecosystem. DVCode Technologies Incorporated. IT Solutions specializing in software development, blockchain smart contracts, digital wallets, and cybersecurity. NutriCoach. Personalized nutrition and weight loss programs for you. Argum AI. Make smarter decisions by presenting both sides of an issue as argued by two distinct AI models. Pixel by ePlayment. Turn content into opportunity, grow deeper connections, and earn more. Only with Pixel. Sign up at pixel.eplayment.co. School of Profits. Filipino community for aspiring freelancers, VAs, agency builders, and online earners. Built to help you start, grow, and earn online together. Founders Launchpad, our ecosystem partner, early stage accelerator providing venture capital funding, operational support, and mentorship. Hire Business Solutions, provider the most configurable cloud-based payroll system in the Philippines. Agile Data Solutions, the Philippines' fastest growing market insights tech company with its data gathering platform, HustlePH. SmileChecks, streamline hiring and onboarding with automated background checks. Cloud CFO, cloud accounting service provider for business ready to grow. Cloverly, all-in-one digital platform for property developers. Body Beaties, accessible and personalized diabetes self-management application. HKB Digital Services, tech-based business tools including payroll, ticketing, and loyalty rewards. Hyperstocks, digital banking enabler for rural and thrift banks. One CFO, CFO services, bookkeeping and tax, payroll processing for startups and small businesses. Wonderbrand, data science-driven brand strategy and design for emerging markets. This episode is powered by Josie AI, Uplift Code Comp, Board Prep, Kansan Barley, East Point Business Outsourcing Services, Filipina Home-Based Moms, Hex Colony, Jur.ph, Big Giant Games, Pahatid PH, Sugbodok, Algacon Aquafeeds Juan Alj, Grey Wolf Technologies Philippines, Pareto Consulting, Sirius MD. Support the podcast through the links in the description.